Hi, here today to talk to you about turning your accounts receivable into cash. Now, say you're a small business and you're doing work with different retailers or different customers of yours, and you end up shipping the good or you provide the services and you've delivered the goods or you've completed the service, and they owe you the money for your completed job. Now, your customers don't want to pay you for 30 or 60 or sometimes even 90 days. That's where you come to us to turn your accounts receivable into cash. Now, the factoring network will advance you up to 97% of those invoices within 24 hours. So you're in a cash crunch, you need money to pay your employees, you need money to pay your taxes, operational costs, whatever the case may be. You can come to the factory network, and we'll advance you up to 97% of those invoices. So be like the rest of our satisfied customers by turning your accounts receivable into cash.